Have you bought insurance, credit card, or holiday package from every sales executive who calls you? Not the case, right? Hello, this is Sarah, and we are going to talk about Demand Funnel today. Demand Funnel is a systematic framework to align and group prospective customers. It is a widely used tool that helps you check the progress of your customer's business from being a prospect to a closed business. Here is Demand Funnel with 6 stages for you: prospects, respondent, qualified lead, accepted lead, qualified opportunity, and close. So let's look at the customer's journey through the Demand Funnel 6 stages. The contacts or the customers who know about our products, services are prospects. When they reach out to us, they are the respondents. If they fit into the criteria of our potential customer, they become qualified lead. A qualified lead on which you can spend time or can be pursued further becomes the accepted lead. When the accepted leads' needs are fulfilled by our company, they become the qualified opportunity. And when we close this deal, that's where we reach the last stage of the funnel, close. Is knowing journey of a customer in Demand Funnel benefiting us? Definitely. By entering data in CRM, that is Customer Relationship Management tool, we can easily see number of leads at various stages, analyze what kind of leads go dead, know which are the dead leads, and save time of interaction with the dead leads. Now that we know the Demand Funnel framework better, let us remember that more suspects is equal to more prospects. More contacts will get you more quality prospects. Thank you. Happy learning.